this is an easy tutorial for piano on how to play the theme song for The Last of Us. I'm going to play through the whole thing and then I'll break it down. Please be sure to like and subscribe to support the channel, and here we go. Okay, let's start with, if this is too hard, you can just take the left hand out. You can also take out the little quick notes, the short trills. Now let's start at the beginning. This is middle C, and I'm playing E with my right hand. So I'm going to play G, E, A, this black note F sharp, and then G again. The next part's very similar. G, E, A, F sharp, but then I'm going to play A into B. I could just play the B. I could go, but if you want to add the quick note, then add it just before. Actually, it happens right on beat. So it's bum, 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 bum. So you would play it right on beat, but otherwise take that note out and just play the B. Now, the next part starts the same way it began. G, E, A, F sharp, G. I almost tried to start singing it. Sometimes I do that. All right, now it's different. We're going to play B flat, A, and then you can either play the G or you can play G, A, G, and then down to an E. There you go. That's the whole beginning. You can watch how I played it before to see all of that put together. All right, we're going to move our hand up so that we can play B probably with our second finger, this one, and then move up to a D. We're going to play B, D, 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 C sharp with your third finger, C sharp, C natural, C natural, C, C, and then B. So let's count those. One note and then 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Repeat, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 down, like that. Now repeat your B and do the same thing on your A. 1, 2, 3, 4, a fifth one. So we don't go down again at the end. So it's an A. So make sure that you're counting the notes right there. I'll do it one more time. I'm just going to say the counts of the notes. All right, I've already said the note names. Now I'm going to say the counts of the notes. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. So you can hear me kind of whispering the beats that I'm not playing, but I'm counting the number of times I play each note. Now back to the beginning. E, G, E, A, F sharp, G. Again. G, E, A, F sharp, up to my B or just the B. I can A, B, or just B. This is just like the beginning so far. G, E, A, F sharp, G. And then I can go from the B flat. And instead of the quick notes being on G and A, this time they're on the A and the B flat. So it's like that. And those notes are B flat, A, B flat, A, G, 2, 3, 4, 4 beats. And now down to my E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then a higher E. And that's the end of the song. Now the bass line while I'm playing that is really simple. I'm only going to cover about 3 notes. I don't think it does any more than 3 notes. So as I play, I'm going to tell you the notes I'm playing in my left hand. And you can pulse this more Pulsing meaning kind of follow the beat of the music. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These triplets that we're hearing. Da, 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 da. Or you can just hold it. Whatever's easier for you, whatever you want to take on. So we're going to play in E. That would be a good time for me to go. Or even. Okay? So just think about how you want to play this note. So it's an E, and it's still an E here. Still an E. The E below middle C. We're going to play an E for this part. After this pickup note, after the B, on the D we'll play the E. Then on the C sharp, we go up to A. Stay on the A for the C natural, and then go back to E. Sorry, there we go, this B. Now back, after you play this B, when you go down to A, we're going to play the A up here. Okay, now we just go back to the beginning. This is the same. Sorry. Now right here, where we've changed the trill for the ending, when I play the G, instead of staying on E, I'm going to go up to F. And then when we resolve to the E in the right hand, we also play this E and just stay there for the ending. All right, I hope this was enjoyable. Such a great show, such a great theme. Have fun with it. Let me know if you need any other help. Have fun.